I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and I'm here to introduce to you the new game-changing heat transfer product. It's called UltraColor MAX Direct-to-Film Transfers. I love this product. We've been developing it for over a year to benefit your business, making sure it checks all of the boxes and all of the things that you need in a heat transfer. And we feel like we've hit the mark. With UltraColor MAX, we're going to simplify your printing, your pricing, and your production. First, let's start with your printing. When we talk about simplifying the printing, you need a product that can just accommodate the logo without having to diminish the design that you've created. And with UltraColor MAX, not only can we do unlimited color because it's a digital process, but we can do extremely fine detail without an outline. That's right, a heat transfer that finally handles fine lines in free-floating text and applies easily and accurately. So when you're thinking about printing UltraColor MAX, not only can I get the logo that I want, but I get the production factors that I want. That's how we're going to simplify your production. UltraColor MAX is a simple, single-step application. It applies at 290 degrees for 12 to 15 seconds at a medium pressure, and you guessed it, it's a hot peel, which means I can move to the next garment right away and keep my pace of production. Now, applying at such a low temperature is really going to open up the sales opportunities for your business. Not only can I do any type of graphic or logo with any amount of colors under one simple pricing structure, but now I can do a wide assortment of items. When we think about 290 degrees, that's going to enable me to decorate apparel without scorching. UltraColor MAX applies to cotton, polyester, blends, and tri-blends, all with that same easy application, all with one transfer. So no more buying this transfer for this fabric and this transfer for another fabric. We've simplified it with UltraColor MAX. It's the only name in heat transfers that you need to know. Not only are we getting a digital process, but we're getting a process that feels great on the garment. We don't have to compromise the feel when we go to full color. With UltraColor MAX, because of what we're able to achieve, we can design a lot of negative space in our design. And what that means, it means garment show-through. It means the overall finished product is going to feel super lightweight and soft, so you can accommodate all these fabrics. Now, when I'm talking to heat printers, one thing I like to say is you want to think about all of the products your heat press can print. And for years, the Hotronix heat presses have made it possible to interchange the platens and accurately print a wide variety of items, from t-shirts to hoodies to joggers to bags, and the list goes on and on. And now when we combine it with the transfer with this type of versatility, we can decorate nearly any logo on nearly any product, which means more sales opportunities for our business. We want to equip you to be able to just say yes to any print job. So I'm guessing this has you excited for the latest heat transfer on the market. I call it a game changer. It's UltraColor MAX. Let's talk to you about how we've simplified the pricing and made this product easy to order through Stahls.com. The first thing you need to know, if you're not familiar with Stahls, is that we are the world's leading manufacturer of heat transfers. And now you can upload your artwork directly to us on Stahls.com when you're logged in, and we can make these UltraColor MAX transfers for you. So they arrive to you just like this, ready to position and heat apply. Now, we do manufacture this product on a roll, which allows you to gang up many different designs to order them at once. And so if you want to create a gang sheet like this to order for one client, you can absolutely do that. If we want to create a gang sheet for another client, we can just submit that artwork all together and order it. And because it's unlimited colors, I can have client A's logo with client B's with client Z's, and it all works together, all at different sizes, giving you exactly what you want out of a heat transfer product. And so the process is simple. You go to our artwork uploader and you submit your artwork after you've selected UltraColor MAX as your heat transfer type. The system automatically scans your artwork to make sure it's prepared for production, that this is a file that's going to look great when we make and ship you a heat transfer. The proof happens instantly, or if there's any issues with your artwork, we point those out and give you a chance to do a heat applied simulation so you can see what the implications of those issues are. You can see your transfer on the garment before you buy. Now, this proof process is immediate. We'll tell you maybe you should think about uploading a file at a higher DPI or should correct these things. Or you could say, you know what, I'm happy with the result. I want to move forward anyways. So you can order automatically. You upload your artwork, you approve your proof, and you place your order. Now, if you're not happy with the result of your proof, you can engage artist help, and we can work on it for you until you're happy with the result. But at the end of it, you submit it, you add it to your cart, and we manufacture that heat transfer, and it comes to you ready to apply. Now here's the best part. UltraColor MAX is a simple pricing structure. It's 6 cents per square inch. So that means if you're uploading one logo, it's 6 cents per square inch. If you're uploading a gang sheet with many logos or an assortment of logos, it's 6 cents per square inch. And so what we do is we make that simple pricing, and all you need to do is meet a $25 order minimum for each logo. So in that case, on a small design, it may mean you need to order 25 of them and they cost $1, or you can lay out a big artboard and panel with a lot of logos to get you to your minimum. Okay? So very simple, 6 cents a square inch, $25 order minimum. The best part is we turn this product quickly as well. We manufacture the transfer, we ship that transfer out. Be sure to check for our latest turn time as we increase our capacity, but that transfer arrives to your door. And there are shipping options for under $12 where you can get that transfer shipped in 2 days or less. So not only is it easy, it's quick. And that's why we think UltraColor MAX is the product to power your heat printing business. It simplifies the printing, it simplifies the pricing, and it simplifies the production. All that together means that it's a game-changing technology. So why don't you try it out?